Welcome to My Game is Money Investing with your host, Mr. G, the retail trader. Welcome to episode 23, where today I'll be talking about some of the activities that were going on for the last couple of weeks, some interesting news, and some upcoming catalysts slash events that will sway the market up or down, and probably up. There's not much further we can go down from here as we are touching lows that we haven't touched for quite some time. As a matter of fact, we're touching lows that we touched back when the pandemic first hit us. So I don't really see us hitting going any further. And if we do, that's all right. It'd be a golden opportunity to take advantage of and make some profit and obviously make some money because our game is money. Again, thank you for joining me. I'm not a financial advisor, and these videos are for entertainment purposes only. So let's jump right into it. My current stock investments are as followed. Health Choice Management Corporation, which is HCMC. I have shares of JetBlue, which is JBLU. I also have shares or investments in Palantir Technology, PLTR, and I also am currently and still invested in Star Bulk Carriers Corporation. My new investment just this past week, which was Rivian, which is RIVN, and I am still and have been invested in the cryptocurrency XRP for the last 2 years, which I haven't changed my position. That position is pretty much locked. If it goes to zero, then it goes to zero, and it is what it is. Couple things I've been currently working on my portfolio is creating cash flow with covered call option trading. I've been very successful in making quite a bit of profits and really just kind of managing my losses as it relates to this down market, this bear market, and so I have been generating cash flow, and we are starting to look as each day goes past and each week goes past, my portfolio is looking better and better to recover from this bear market. So looking forward to continue to option trade with covered call options. Also making a couple moves with the Star Bulk Carriers Corporation as their ex-dividend date is November 29th. I am going to sell all my shares if the price is right just before November 29th, which is the ex-dividend date for its payout date, which will be December 12th, of $1.20 per share. What I've noticed through this dividends and investing is that typically when I invest in a stock just for their dividend, I do all the right things. I purchase the stocks just before the ex-dividend date, creating eligibility for the actual payout, and then what happens is the stock goes down. And the last time I did that, I ended up just really breaking even, or really kind of staying in position longer than I really wanted to. This time I'll be a little wiser and retreat just before the ex-dividend date, and then hopefully the stock will go down. I'll take advantage of the opportunity and reposition myself back into the same stock. So I won't have to worry about the losses there. Of course, during that time, I'll be invested in another different company where I'll be creating cash flow with covered call option trading. The other thing that I'm doing is, let's see, again, like I said, I'm repurchasing other shares and doing covered calls probably for the rest of the year. I'll most likely pull out all of my cash just before the year's over, and I'll be taking a loss for the year. That's okay. And I think I'll probably be able to take advantage of some tax advantages as it relates to losing some money in the stock market this year. So again, it's a balance. One year I was up, this year I'm down. The news topics that I'll shed to light and things that haven't really changed throughout the last year is the recessions is in full focus. Rate hikes have been pretty consistent, just like the Feds pretty much said they were going to do. geopolitical affairs with Ukraine and Russia are still going on, although it is some positive news that Ukraine is really fighting the war and what it looks like to be winning the war at this point. Some recent news as it relates to currency and crypto, which would be that the XTF has collapsed. They filed for bankruptcy due to the fraudulent activity from Sam Bankman-Fried, and so this whole cryptocurrency, and that things will start looking like we're gonna make a rally, a bull rally. That is, I think most of the analysts have predicted or estimated a gradual flattening and then a rise once news starts to get better. I think two catalysts that I'm interested to see if they come to light would be China completely lifts all COVID restrictions. That'd be a very positive thing, and then also the war in Ukraine and Russia. And if that were to end, that would be an awesome catalyst for stocks to make a run, and I think not turn back. So, again, thank you for joining me today. I appreciate your time, and please hit the like, subscribe, bell notification, and leave a comment if you have any questions. And of course, see you on the next episode. Have a good one. Thanks for joining.